Hello, everyone, and welcome to Loaded and Locked In Training Academy. I am Instructor Drea, and I'm honored to have you here today. I am a USCCA certified instructor, a protector, and a woman who had to learn the hard way that safety isn't optional, it's essential. I didn't start teaching because I felt safe. I started teaching because there was a time when I didn't feel protected, not in my environments, not in my relationship, hell, not even in my own skin. There came a moment when I realized something very important. No one is coming to save you. You have to learn how to protect yourself, your mind, your body, and your peace. And once I learned that, everything changed. And that's why I'm here. And that's why I teach. Loaded and Locked In isn't about fear. It's about confidence, awareness, discipline, stepping into your strengths, even if you never felt strong before. This channel is for the everyday people who wants to feel prepared and protected, for the women who are tired of feeling vulnerable, and for the men who want to protect his family with confidence, for everyone ready to build real world skills and a real protector's mindset. Here, you're going to learn safety and awareness you can use today, not yesterday. Confident building techniques, firearm fundamentals, and how to protect yourself with purpose, not fear. My promise is simple. Everything I teach is practical, honest, and built to make you strong. I am not here to impress you. I'm here to prepare you. If you are ready to take ownership of your safety, like, comment, subscribe, and join a community that puts protection first. Let's get loaded, locked in, and ready for whatever comes next. Welcome to the Academy.